Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you some information about my upcoming online card class for April 2025. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner, or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link for that is below in the description box. In this class, we will be creating 5 handmade cards and coordinating gift bags with the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper pack. And here is just a quick sample of the paper in that pack and the die cuts that are included. This paper will be included in your class kit. I will be using the birthday celebration bundle for the greetings and other small images on the cards and bags. You may use the same bundle or one of your own choosing. Look for one with beautiful greetings and small images that you can add to the paper and die cuts. If you would like to have me help you pick out something, please reach out to me through either a comment or you can email me, and you can find my email address at the bottom of the video in the description. Let's take a quick look at the cards and gift bags now. Here are the cards and gift bags we will be creating for this class. In this class, we'll be using the ephemera and beautiful pattern papers to create over-the-top wow birthday cards and gift bags. Inside each card, you'll find a smaller Z-fold insert with more designs and a hidden space for your personal message. If you don't like the gift bags, you will have enough supplies to turn these into simple cards. So these two products coordinate together. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards and bags, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $20 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. Here's card number 4. I love using the ephemera and the pattern papers together. It makes these cards really quick and easy to put together. You can see there's a little bit of stamping here. This card has a little bit more stamping, and so you'll want to find a stamp set that has some extra images that you can add to the ephemera pack. And here's that coordinating gift bag. This class will run Monday, April 28th through Friday, May 2nd. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards with its coordinating gift bag. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on April 13th, which is a Sunday. There are only a couple weeks to sign up, so register as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards and gift bags. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 5 white gift bags, 8 6x12 sheets of Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper. And you're going to get 2 of each sheet, and they're going to be cut in 6x12 so that they're easier for me to ship. And these are all the solid pattern papers. So that's half a pack of that DSP. You're also going to get 1 sheet of the tags from that same Wildflower Birthday Specialty DSP. We're going to slightly separate them so that they can fit inside the package, the shipping package. as well as 1 full sheet of the ephemera from that same Wildflower Birthday Specialty DSP. And I will separate them and package them in a clear envelope just like this, so that again I can easily ship them. So those will be all together. So that all together gives you half a pack of the Wildflower DSP. You will also receive 1 6x6 gold sheet, as well as a full roll of gold open weave trim. And if you'd like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $20, which is different from my past classes. And that's because of the half pack of DSP that bumps up that price a little bit. And you can purchase that refill kit along with a full kit. And it includes the DSP, the cardstock, the gift bags, as well as the envelopes. It does not include the gold open weave trim. You'll have enough of that left over to make more cards and bags. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like, and you can get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live, and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 5 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the projects for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDF with step-by-step instructions for each project to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDFs sent to your email so you can complete the projects at a different time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store, and you can find the link in the description below. You will want to choose a kind of coordinating bundle, and I'm going to use the birthday celebration bundle. It includes this great stamp set. You're going to want to look for something that has similar greetings, as well as some kind of smaller little images that you can add to the ephemera. And then this is the die cut that goes with that bundle, and it has some great little numbers. You could do those, or you can leave those off of the cards. It also has a good little flag shape, and if you're not going to use this, you're going to want to look for a die that you can use instead of it for kind of like a decorative label or something shape there. It also has some die cuts and this fun little tassel that we'll be using on one of the cards. So you could probably find something else that you may already have that will work instead of the birthday celebration, but I do love this bundle and I'll be using it for my cards. You're also going to want to have these colors of ink, and we've got Pool Party, Blueberry Bushel, Old Olive, Peach Pie, and Pretty in Pink. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need. I've got my paper trimmer, as well as ribbon scissors and my paper snips, a bone folder and take a pick tool. I love having those. You will also want your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, as well as coordinating clear blocks, and then something to clean your stamps, and I love the Simply Chamois. For adhesives, you will want to use the foam adhesive sheets if you're going to cut out any numbers for the cards. So for example, like this one, I'm using the foam adhesive sheets behind this number here to kind of pop it up. So if you're going to be doing that same thing, you'll want those foam adhesive sheets, as well as some mini glue dots and your favorite adhesives like the Stampin' Seal or Stampin' Seal Plus. Adhesive sheets are always good to have on hand for small little details, as well as the mini and regular sized Stampin' Dimensionals. My favorite adhesive is the multi-purpose liquid glue, and then I also have some tear and tape. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are again in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.